Gotinya obwamate ne chinse litkoria rero gwetera okobwaterana wense ya Kenya na boigo China nigo marai wense Dr. William Ruto Koigeka Rigena Ri'Oboroso.
This marks the beginning of the commercialization of facilities available to agricultural shores of Kenya, and I must commend them for the partnership they have created between the private sector and the agricultural shores of Kenya. This facility is going to be built as a joint project between the agricultural shores of Kenya and this investor, because this investor is leasing this land from the agricultural shores of Kenya, which will lead to the commercialization of the facilities we have here. And agricultural shores of Kenya is going to make 10 times the money they have been making from the use of this piece of land. That is the kind of innovation that is going to inform government operations as we go forward, so that we can unlock the big potential that exists in some of the government assets that we have that currently are not being used optimally. And this is one such example that the agricultural shores of Kenya are working with private sector to unlock the big potential that exists in the land they have here in Nairobi.